This is the Asrock DeskMini A300, a computer the size of a power supply that supports Ryzen APUs. If you're looking to build a real small portable desktop computer, I really recommend this product. The DeskMini A300 includes the case, the power supply, and the motherboard. For a price of 150 euros, it's a pretty good deal. Since it's a really compact case for a desktop computer, regular motherboards won't fit in this case, so Asrock has made their own for this platform. Regular heatsinks won't fit neither, so they included a heatsink that's compatible with the case. It's pretty decent for its job. The APUs that you'll be using aren't that power hungry, so it's fine. In the box, it also includes the power brick that supplies 120 watts of power. There's no internal power supply, so the components gets all of their juice from this brick, to say the cables and some screws. The size of this mini case is 155mm wide, 155mm deep, and 80mm tall. This thing is so small that you can carry it in a bag anywhere you go. The case has a lot of holes drilled on it in order to allow the air to be stuck in to cool down the components, though it's only the CPU fan that will be doing all the work. In the front, it has a power button, mic and headphone jack, one USB 3.1 and a USB Type-C. Now let's take a look on the I/O on the back of the motherboard. It has a power plug inlet, a DisplayPort, an HDMI, DVI, USB 2.0 and 3.0, and an Ethernet port. Here are the vents. It also supports a VESA mount if you want to mount it behind your monitor. Now let's crack it open and see what's inside. As soon as we open it, we're greeted by a CPU socket that supports AMD APU processors, 2 DDR4 SODIMM slots up to 32GB, and NVMe storage and Wi-Fi slots. Behind the motherboard, you can find 2 slots for 2.5-inch drives for storage. Now, let's assemble this tiny computer. Enjoy!